friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi, and I have something really special I want to share with you. So you guys know I have miniatures, and this is a miniature bed. I want to show this to you real quick, and I'm going to show you what I ordered. So here's a bed. This would be what we would consider to be a queen size bed, right? Look at the headboard, isn't it fantastic? This is the footboard. So I bought this a little while back. I absolutely love it. There it is. Now, what I had prior was, well, I had nothing for this bed actually, and I was using like some old stuff that came with the Dollhouse, and it wasn't quite in the style that I'd, really hope for. So I ordered from Chantalena, is that how we say it? ChantallenaDollHouse, and this is a little probably thank you note or receipt. Let's find out. Oops, I've got a little card here. This says, Dollhouse of Romance, where roses bloom in every tiny room. How much do you love that? So cute. And then, and then we have a little postcard, and it says, Chantalena, romancing the Dollhouse. I love that so much. Thank you for supporting our small business. We truly appreciate it. Visit often for more lovely handcrafted enchantments. Robin Wallace, maker and designer. And she's got romancingthedollhouse.com, chantalena.com, and customer service at chantalena.com. So that is fantastic. I have all the information that I need for the future, and then I'm sure this is just simply my receipt. That's what it appears to be. And she writes, Jovi, thank you so much for your purchase. Enjoy, Robin. So I love that. And then here's a little 15% off of another purchase. So I'll have to keep that in mind. It's a great excuse to go over there and indulge a little bit. So that's a lot of fun. Let me put these aside and let's get into what we got. So it comes in this beautiful envelope here, or this beautiful pouch, so pretty and pink. I love that so much. She has a little sticker here. I mean, I'm gonna take some ideas from her because this is just wonderful. I do like to gift extras and things like that when I send out packages, but I do love her style of packaging. I think it's really pretty. And here we go. Oh goodness, you guys, I'm giddy with excitement. Oh my goodness. So she's got another sticker here. Very clever. See, now that's something I don't do, so I might consider that. And it's over top of a mini doily. How precious and shabby chic is that? So let's go ahead and open this up. And it does appear that there's a little something extra in this envelope that I'm super excited to see. Okay, all right, so there we go. We got everything out of there. Now, here's what we've got, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and make the bed in just a second. I'm gonna move the pillows. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. And not that I couldn't have made this myself, but right now I don't have time. We're packing up the house and taking our sheds down and, doing all that kind of stuff. So I don't have all the time in the world right now. And I saw this and I fell in love. These are the extras. We'll get to those in just a second. So this is a sheet set. Look at it. Look, it's got the little frill on top. How much do you love that? Oh my gosh, this is so great. And then this must be our bottom sheet. Let's have a look. Yep, this appears to be our bottom sheet. Wow, it's big. And maybe it works as the bottom sheet and the part that sort of like hangs over and drapes to the floor. We'll see. And then this right here is the bedspread. Isn't it beautiful? Let me get it up close for you. Isn't it so pretty, you guys? I feel like my lighting is a little bit dark today. I don't know why, because I have my big overhead light on, but I don't know. Anyway, we're not going to worry about that right now. Let's go ahead and move this over. I probably should iron it, but I'm not gonna. I just want to go ahead and make the bed with you guys real quick. And let me make sure, oh there, let's do this. Excuse the outskirts of my desk here. I got a mess going on. So I would say we would end up putting this down, but we're gonna need to fold it. So let's fold it at the top. Let's do that. We'll bring the bottom here, and we'll just go ahead and fold that top part down. I could tuck it all under the mattress, but I'm not going to. I want to have it hanging down the sides. And then this is our top sheet. So we're going to take this and do the same, except I am not going to fold that down yet. Actually, I need to flip it over. Let's do it like this. You know, when you do your top sheet, you got to have the right side down so that when you put it over the thingy, this part shows, right? Do you agree with that? That's how I've always done it. Okay, so that's there. Now let's go ahead and put our nice comforter down here. Let's get our top sheet there. Oh, I might need to scoot this down. This has been created to sort of hang off the end, but I have this footboard here. So what I can do is maybe tuck it under the mattress just a little bit. Let's bring this down a hair. Bring it down. Okay, I think that's a good spot for it. I go ahead and tuck this under. I think that'll work. Yes, there we go. Then we can bring this over. And I wonder if I should push this up a little bit. Ooh, that looks nice. What do you think of that? I think that looks super nice. Okay, now I'm trying to remember. I can't remember exactly how she had hers made, but we're gonna put the big one here. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so cute. It's so cute. And then I feel like, well, okay, let's do this one. Let's just go ahead, put this one here. We got the big one, then we got the medium. And then we're going to do the two ones like that you would use as a pillow, unless, hold on a second, maybe I want these here and this here sort of holding them in place. I mean, I can do them however, right? I mean, it doesn't really matter. And then we have our accent pillow. Oh my goodness. Hang on for another angle shot. Now, my friends, again, excuse the desk. I should have prepped my desk and all beautiful frilly things before I got started on this, but this is my life right now. I almost forgot that there's this little bag of extras here. So let's see what we have in here. Look at this tiny, tiny pillow. Let's go ahead and put this one here. Oh my goodness, so stinking cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys. And then, hold on, we have a book. So adorable. I'm gonna hold this here, try to zoom in on it for you. But the book says shabby chic on it, and there's a little picture of like a living room and some pillows and things like that. So we're gonna put this right over here. And then inside here is a little rose. Oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. And a little perfume bottle. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna really have to zoom in. This is just the tiniest of tinies, but it's a little perfume bottle, and I imagine that it would have like a rose spray in it. So we're gonna go ahead and put that here next to it. We'll go ahead and bring our book over here like this. I gotta flip this over. I'm all thumbs sometimes with my tiny little things. So what do you think? Should the rose go on top of the book? I don't know. There's so many things we can do here with this. Oh, you know what? Maybe. Hold on a second. I see that the rose has like this extra long stem to it, so maybe the rose goes on the book. What do you think of that? Oh, that might be how the design goes. How precious is that, you guys? And then we put that on the bed, right? Oopsie. And then we put our little perfume bottle. It could go on top. I wonder, hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get it on top. You're probably like, well, you just finished this video already? I was looking for my tweezers. Hold on, let me see. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do it with my hands. I have 3 pairs of tweezers, can't find them. Here we go. Oops. It may not balance on the book because the book is a little open because there is, so I'm just gonna put it next to it. Here, you know what, I'm gonna put it right over here in this little, I'm gonna tuck it in this little corner. Well, you guys, I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love. Thanks for watching. See you soon.